Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add checkbox on Microsoft Word. First open up your Microsoft Word and then open any blank document. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to add checkbox on Microsoft Word. Now the first method is function method and the second method is keyboard shortcut method. Now for the first method, click on insert, then click on symbol, then click on more symbols, and then you have to type wingdings here. Then press enter, then click here and then scroll all the way down, and here you can see checkbox. If you want to type checkbox, just click here, then click on insert, and here it is. Then just close the window, and using this simple method you can add checkbox. Now for the second method, click on symbol again, then click on more symbols, then scroll all the way down again, then click on checkbox, then you have to click autocorrect. Then you can type any shortcut as you want. If I type backslash, then type check, then click on add, then click on OK, then just close the window. Now if you type backslash and check, then press enter, and here it is. If I type it again, then press enter or spacebar, and that's it. And that is how you can add checkbox on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.